Next I start 3.4 for revisions and 3.3 left today. First question, statement of the first question, find the common factor. These pair of number we have two givens, we have to find the common factor of these numbers. I solved the previous video all these parts, but for revisions I takes D part. Find the common factor 56 and 120. The factor of the 56 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56 and 120. These are the factor of the 120. Yesterday I explain about the factors. What is the factor? I again repeat that 56, if any number is divided by 56, then that number is the factor of 56. These are find common between these numbers 1 and 1, 2, 2, 4, 4 and 8, 8. These are the common factor of 56. Next, find the first three common multiple of. In the second questions A and B part, I take the B part 12. First we have to find first three common multiples. We have to write, first of all we have to write multiples of these numbers. 12 multiple of 12, these are the numbers that are multiple of 12. In the simplest word you can write the tables of 12. Now write the 12 of 18s, and the first three common multiples are 36, 36, 72, 72, 108 or 108. We have to ask the three common multiple, and these are the three common multiple. Which of the following numbers are co-primes? In fourth questions, no, this is not fourth question, this is a fifth questions. Fourth question I left for you. I take A parts, A to F, but I take A part. 18 and 35s. The factor of 8. First of all, to write the factor of 18s, these are the factor of 18s, and the second 35, write the factor of 35, these are the factor of 35. We have to find the common factor. Why we find the common factor? If the common factor between these numbers are come only 1, then it is a coprime. If the common factor between these numbers other than 1 number, then these are not coprimes. In these numbers only 1 is common between them. Common factor of 18 and 35 is 8, 1, so it is a coprime. I hope that you understand this question. Thank you.